Hey, Shad here with Speed Addict's fast growing gear site on the web, and today we're going to uncrate the Scorpion EXO-C90. Before we jump in and give you the full rundown on the Scorpion EXO-C90, go ahead and subscribe. That helps keep bringing you the best gear reviews in the universe. And if at any point you decide you'd like to purchase a Scorpion C90, don't worry, there's a link in the description below to get you over to Speed Addicts to shop for this helmet or any other parts or gear you might need for your next two-wheel adventure. Okay, the C90 from Scorpion EXO, definitely one of the leaders, especially when it comes to the street helmet game. They're very innovative. They own their own factories. They know what they're doing. They have a great warranty house that's actually located here in SoCal. They're great guys. They make awesome products. The C90 is a half shell with a drop-down shield. It's kind of got that little bit of a lip on it, kind of a German helmet flare with decent coverage in the back. This is a polycarbonate shell, which makes it nice, lightweight, and affordable. It's going to come in at $109 to $119, depending on if you want just a solid color or a graphic. Those are a few bucks more. 2.2 pounds, true DOT certification on this. We do not sell any novelty helmets here. Two shell sizes, extra small through 2X. Some of the graphics only go up to XL. You've been warned. Intermediate oval head shape, which means it fits most of the heads here in the United States. And it does run true to size. Go buy the Scorpion sizing chart at speedaddicts.com. And remember, if you buy your next helmet from Speed Addicts, you get no cost returns. As long as you're in the United States, the helmet or other product is brand new in the original condition. A couple clicks, you'll get a free label from us. Give us a shot. We will treat you like family. So I always start with ventilation. When it comes to a half shell, the ventilation is pretty straightforward. Here, exits here, 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 and here. They didn't put any vents on the top. Sometimes they do on half shells. This one does not have any ventilation, but that gives you that really clean look all across this helmet. Nice smooth finish, kind of that army shell look like I was talking about before. So no ventilation, but of course you get plenty of ventilation at half shell. The next key feature here is this drop-down sun visor. So this is their SpeedView retractable visor. It's nice to not have to mess with sunglasses if you don't want to. You're ready for different lighting conditions, or if you wear eyeglasses underneath, something like this, you can have the smoke visor. Comes with it stock, so you get smoke in the box. If you want to run a clear, you have to purchase that separately, but it is available at Speed Addicts, and you can pick which side you want to retract on. So you have two tabs, one on either side, and it's nice, firm. This thing doesn't rattle around. I've handled a lot of these helmets in the past. I like their slide mechanism on the SpeedView here. Another key feature that's going to come in the box are ear covers. So out of the box, it's not going to have them installed. You're going to have your standard strap here, but it does come with ear covers here for cooler weather, and it also has a nifty speaker pocket. So if you want to run a comm system, C90's got you covered because you got the little speaker taco pocket right there. Let's flip this over and look at the bottom of this helmet and show you what we're working with on the inside. Double D-ring closure, no surprises there. We have a little snap to retain the end of your strap here. Okay, that's what it looks like. Relatively low profile fit. That's what it's all about. When you're talking about DOT half shells, they have to have a certain amount of EPS liner in here. Okay, this is not going to fit right against your skull like those novelty helmets do. I know a lot of people are looking for that look. Unfortunately, that's not compatible with a helmet that will actually absorb energy and an impact. So the manufacturers do their best to make a low profile liner that will still pass all the safety tests, and that's what we have here. They've covered it with a little bit of vinyl, faux leather around the rim, so it's nice and finished. This is their Kwikwick moisture wicking fast drying liner that is actually removable. When you're talking about helmets in this price range, especially half shells, not all of them have that removable liner. That's nice because you can take it out and wash it once in a while. A little bit of Velcro, a couple snaps, and this thing comes right out. Here's your EPS liner. Like I said, no venting in this helmet, so there's no ports or channels in this, just straight up EPS energy absorbing liner. And Scorpion's going to cover this guy for 5 years, which is about 3 years longer than the industry standard. Scorpion's really good about their warranties, and it's nice to know your investment is protected there. Let's snap this guy back into place. So if you're looking for a half shell with a drop-down visor that's DOT rated, comm system ready, you got everything you need here. The C90 should be on your short list. You still got questions? Don't worry. Speed Addicts are standing by through email, live chat, and phone support. Head over to speedaddicts.com to talk to them, or just drop your questions or comments in the box below. Appreciate y'all for watching. We'll see you next time to find out what's in the crate.